Hi, my name is Dr. Chris Cordima from the Boston Knee and Shoulder Clinic, where I specialize in the treatment of chronic severe knee and shoulder pain, utilizing my exclusive non-surgical treatment procedure. Now, if you're like most patients that we see in the office, you have probably tried a handful of different things that have been met with disappointing results. You may have tried medications or even contemplating surgery. And I want to let you know that you're not alone in this process, and that in our office, I do things differently. You see, I offer a strict two-step patient qualification process, and I do this specifically to find out if you're a candidate for our care before we get started. You see, wouldn't it be nice to know that you have the highest probability of treatment success before you get started? And that's why we do our two-step patient qualification process. Step one is we do a comprehensive exam where we can figure out what's wrong and determine if you have a condition that I can help. If you have a condition that we can't help, then I'm going to refer you to someone better suited for your condition. However, if you have a condition that we can help, then it's important to understand that that in and of itself does not necessarily mean that your body is going to respond to our care. And that's why we move on to step two of the qualification process. And so if you do have a condition that we can treat, the next step after the exam is to give you a qualification treatment. Immediately following this qualification treatment, you should have a decrease in pain, increased mobility, and an increase in strength. And if this is the case, then that means that you have the highest probability of treatment success. So, if you or someone you know is suffering with chronic severe knee pain or shoulder pain, and you're tired of taking gobs of medications or thinking about surgery, and you want a non-surgical solution, then I encourage you to give us a call. Give us a call today to schedule your free consultation. You can call 617-629-2600. I want to thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you at the office.